passport control here at Stansted, and we're on our way to the train station to take probably just under an hour's journey to Liverpool Street. Here's my meal deal from Boots. Anyone want to rate it? Wee bit of change of attire. My San Francisco 49ers shirt, which I got in Dusseldorf. The only question is, where are we? Ladies and gentlemen of the Lil Pef YouTube channel, welcome to Brighton, home of the Seagulls. That looks dangerous. It's like being in Camden Town a little bit. Isn't this just a corner of nostalgia? I know it's nerdy, but even still. Shooter, isn't it? Safe to say I've been on a bit of a hiatus since I've been in Brighton. I mean, the seafront's obviously lighting up, that's good, better than Blackpool already, but I had to pay £30 to get a brand new computer charger, because I literally managed to fuck up mine. Of course I did. But yeah, I had a really good fun at some of the charity shops, and especially the vintage places, and believe me, there are loads in Brighton, so you need to check them out at some point. But I'm going to relax for a little bit, maybe go for a bit of, go for some fish and chips, because there's a Harry Ramsden's literally across the road from there, from a hostel that is, and then head off to the game. So, aye, Brighton v Bournemouth. We're wearing blue, so we're blending. On another note, I also just want to point out that everything that I've got specifically on my last day, even souvenirs for duty free, I'll maybe show tomorrow evening once I'm back from Glasgow. So it's currently just before 6:30, so I'm going to quickly get a chippy and then head off to the game. Change of plan actually. I decided, because they said that they were only closing in half an hour, and I didn't really want to be walking even in spit and rain, I thought I'd just go straight to the stadium, so hopefully they will have a fresh chippy there waiting for me. Fingers crossed. And with about 55 minutes till kick off, I present to you the Amex. This is going to be a great game of football, I can just sense it. Don't let me down, Brighton. Already I'm impressed. Their club shop is 2 levels long. They've got tunes from the 80s playing. Stadium, Goldson, bro. Football manager completed it, mate. Won't you stay another day? Stay out, oh, don't leave me alone like this. I mean, look at this for a view, guys. You can tell I've went for the cheapest seat possible, because you've got an obstructed view of the away ends. However, we might get a good view of a goal if it goes in at that end, from what I can see, but very nice stadium, big enough for a Premier League club, which Brighton have been for the last 8 years now. Oh, nearly 9 years actually, fair play. As for a scran, we've got a chicken burger with a bit of mustard in and a coffee. Welcome back to England, folks. Cracking playlist, by the way. Here comes both teams, and we've got a fire display as well. You could say this might be a bit of a derby. We'll let the football do the talking. Is this what the Royal County of Sussex sing? Only they'll know. Shame that Ryan Christie hasn't played for Bournemouth today. Not today at least.
and Iriola's finally sat down. Both teams have had a fair shot of chances at the moment, but Bournemouth are currently dominating. Good punch by Verbruggen. Even though Bournemouth struggled to win in the last few months, and obviously they did beat Spurs with Semenyo's last game, they're still a good outfit to watch. Good team to watch, mate. Bournemouth nearly had a lucky break on goal there. Tavernier with the cross, and I think it was either Krupi that got to it, but he dived in, so the referee had no authority but to brandish the yellow card to match his shirt as well. Is this an agree? Apparently I was wrong. The goalkeeper missed the ball. The Bournemouth player got it first, Adley. So Paul Tierney's pointed to the spot after looking at VAR. And we all know what's going to come next. Marcus Tavernier, the brother of James, who scored so many goals for Rangers. Will he be the hero or villain? No Semenyo, no Clivert. It does a similar start. One 0 to the Cherries. Just before half time, come on. Oh, that first half of Brighton. We're very unfortunate not to go into half time level, but we've got an opportunity to enjoy. Cheers to that. 6 minutes into the second half. It's like a pinball in there. Minute 68, still 1-0 Bournemouth. Surely there's got to be another goal or two in this game. With Minty, Jorginho Rutter, and somebody else brought on. Surely Brighton can make a difference, and they've got a corner. They two having a bit of beef with each other. Danny Welbeck going off. It was Baleba that came on as the third substitution, but obviously there's more than 3 nowadays. So whether this will prove dividends, we shall see. Less than 10 minutes left. Brighton have got another corner which they've kept in. Surely this is the time in which to get someone on the end of it. Got a free kick. Oh! That was going for the top bins there. Minute 87. What can the Gulls bring up from here? Pretending I'm commentating, folks. Pascal Gross is on the corner. Plenty of bodies in there, but Bournemouth are obviously defending for their lives because they haven't really been on a winning streak since autumn. Go and shoot. It's all the same, isn't it? just as the referee added on 8 minutes, Brighton have equalised. About time as well. Minty's kept it in. Who will it reach? Believe it, almost smashed in a stunner there. Almost diverted in as well. Almost the last kick of the game. 1-1 it finished, but you know what? That wasn't a terrible game of football. Could have gone either way, but a draw it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you later. But wait, there's more. Of course, we had to end this with an evening drink, and that is a Cadbury hot chocolate latte.